What's up,
Stop
YouTube?
recording
Time
video.
for what's inside
Button.
the saxophone case video. Obviously, we have the horn itself. I play a King 613 alto. Now into this pocket, bag of reeds. You may ask why I keep my reeds in a bag, but I do. Just how I assort them without losing them. Yamaha 4Z mouthpiece. Yamaha neck strap. Swab. Obviously the neck. With the plug, like all saxophonists should keep their neck with a plug. Another neck strap. It's the stock one that came with the horn. And a tube of cork grease. This is all the stuff I keep in the saxophone case on a daily basis, whether I'm coming from concert band at school. Octave key still works. That's a good sign. I used this horn for playing in Orlando when we went on the trip with the marching trip, which was a blast. If I would have remembered to get the GoPro when we marched, you would have saw a video of that. But I didn't. I completely forgot the GoPro when I walked into the hotel room. So there's no video of us marching. Put all this stuff back in there. Mouthpiece. The neck strap. I keep a lot crammed in this tiny pocket. And here's the sax itself. Works well. Put it back in there. This is a gold lacquered horn. One of the only horns I've ever played on, because it's the horn that I own. And that's the saxophone case video. I'll do a clarinet one later. So you know all the cases of all my instruments that I own and play, which are 4. Come on, get in the closet. You may wonder why I keep my horn in a closet, but I do. But thank you for watching.